Hello, today we are going to make this beautiful handbag for beginners. It is going to be very easy and I hope you are going to love it. So let's begin. So we are going to need our lining material, which is going to be 25 inches by 12 inches. Our material is going to be 25 inches by 12 inches. We are going to iron with the interface. We are going to need also our zipper. So we are going to fold our material into two. We are going to measure 2 inches by 2 inches at the bottom on both sides, and then we are going to cut it. Also, we are going to measure 1 inch from the top, and then we are going to draw a line the way I'm doing. 1 inch, and then we are going to draw a line, and then we are going to cut it. We are going to do the same on the other side. We'll do the same with the lining. We are going to fold into two, and then we place our fabric on top, and then we cut. We are going to measure 2.5 inches. That's where we are going to attach our handle. Our bag handle is 16 inches by 1 inch. So we are going to pin, and then we attach by sewing. We are going to do the same on the other side, and then we pin our handle. Next, we are going to sew. Next, we are going to sew the handles on the bag on both sides. After that, we are going to attach our zipper. We are going to secure it with our pins, and then we will sew along the line. We'll do the same on the other part of the material. Next, we are going to attach our lining. We are going to secure it with our pins on both sides, and then we will sew. We are going to sew on the sides. We are going to sew along the line. So we are going to join our lining together, our material together. On the lining, we are going to leave a small gap for turning our bag. Next, we are going to fold the bottom, and then we sew on the sides. We are going to do the same on both 4 sides. Next, we are going to turn our bag the way I'm doing. So we are going to sew the gap that we left. Finally, we are going to top stitch on our bag. Our bag is now ready. Very beautiful and very easy to make. So go ahead, join our sewing family by subscribing for new tutorials every week. Thank you for watching.